Namaskar friends. On the request of so many people who requested on email to create e-office videos in English language because they have seen the video, they found it useful, but because of some language issues, particularly some friends from South India, they asked me to prepare the videos in English. Hindi videos were prepared around 2 years back, and it took 2 years for me to decide to go for creation of English videos as well for the users. There were 8 videos were created by me for understanding the basics of e-office file management system so that users at their ease, at their comfort can see the video and understand the file management system module of e-office. Here again preparing the same videos in English language, taking example is a little bit time taking and will be a little bit tough for me. So I decided that on the same videos which were prepared in Hindi, I will use the visuals of those videos and again record the audio in English, so there may be some delay in speaking and recording, but I will try my best that users will find it useful. One more thing, that in this e-office channel there are 8 videos in Hindi. There are some basic videos also I am preparing on understanding the basics of technology on the request of some of the users who works in some various departments of central ministries and state government departments, Indian Railways, who told me that they want to understand the technology basics because they are a little bit in higher age, and so going directly into e-office is a little bit tough for them. I suggested them that they can use some other YouTube channel, blogs to understand the technology, but they requested if I will prepare those videos for them, they will be happy with that. So I have prepared those videos also in Hindi. So the audience or the persons who want e-office videos in English will find it difficult in searching the videos of their use. So what I can suggest here is, whenever you come to this channel, you can go directly to playlist. There are 3 playlists as of now. First is e-office in Hindi, second playlist is technology basics, and third one is e-office English video series. So you can directly go to English video series, and I will upload total 8 videos there. Those 8 videos will be exactly copy of earlier uploaded Hindi versions. There you will notice that actually file management system module of e-office is in English module. So you will not find difficulty when I will explain the fields, scenario. But when I prepared videos in Hindi earlier, there the content was that I was typing actually was taken as Hindi, because the purpose of video was to train the clerical staff of my district, which is a Hindi speaking district state, so that they can understand the things easily. And in practical also physical files are written in Hindi here in my district. So you will see the content which I am going to write will be in Hindi. So I will explain it more clearly so that you can understand the things properly. I will try my best in this regard. If you will find it useful, please provide the feedback. I am not knowing everything of file management system of eOffice, but whatever knowledge I have gained through practice, demo, and through experience, I will share it so that you will not find difficulty when you will go to work on the subject. If you will find it useful, kindly tell others to see it, to learn from it. So I am closing this discussion video here and upload very soon very first video of eOffice in English series, and in upcoming time we'll try to upload other total 8 of videos as soon as possible from my side, as I have to take care of other things also. Thank you, friends.